Welcome to Dave's Diaries in France. Enjoy the video.
Yeah, Monday.
Nothing's happened.
Tuesday.
Good morning all. It's Tuesday the 3rd of December. It's been a trying week last week. We've had no heating now for a few days. So we've got a radiator and a fan heater. The fan heater used to be in my workshop. And if I'm looking tired, it's because I'm tired. As you can probably tell, I'm back in the dur-upper today. I've got some more skimming to do, which I always look forward to. But this week I'm not doing too much filming. Yesterday I did a load of batch cooking, so that was a beef stew. That's still in the slow cooker, and I did a chicken and mushroom style casserole, which is delicious. And I also did a cauliflower cheese, which we're having tonight, I believe. So that's going to be nice. So what did we do over the weekend? Not really a great deal. We went to Laval to witness the lights switch on. They're celebrating 30 years of the lights, the illuminations in Laval. And it started off with a firework display, which was really quite good. Really enjoyed it. But it was rammed, absolutely rammed. And then we made our way back to the van. On the way we had some hot rillettes and some vin chaud. That's mulled wine or hot wine. And then we made our way home. And Sunday it was just a paperwork exercise and making sure that we've got the contact details and the numbers for the various companies we're contacting for the replacement of the air source heat pump, which it's going to be expensive, whatever it is. And today we've got this evening we've got the engineer that fixed it last time. He's turning up and going to attempt to fix the air source heat pump. It's got low gas pressure. So this, first problem was the starter mechanism didn't work. Now it's gas pressure. So yeah, and what else is happening? Oh, the wife's car's in the garage at the moment. They've given her a loan car. So I'll tell you what, I will put a picture of this place up if I can find one. I can't recommend this garage. I'll tell you what, they're fantastic. They're absolutely fantastic. It's the Bosch garage in Moulay, on the outskirts of Mayenne. If you live in Mayenne and you've got car problems, van problems, or whatever it may be, or you just want a service, go to this place. They're really, really good. Really good. I would recommend them highly. So they've got the wife's car at this moment. So yeah, what else is there? Oh, I've got a new microphone for the camera, as you can probably see, or not, as the case may be. So you might be able to hear me a bit better. But today I'm going to carry on with skimming. I've done one side of the toilet. I can only do one side at a time because of the risk of falling into what I've just prepared. So I've got the other side to do, and then I've got to do some sanding, but I won't be doing sanding today because I've got other stuff to do. Anyway, I've been blabbing on now for 7 minutes 53. I might just have to shove this one out early because I've got nothing else to show you. Anyway, I'll catch you later. Ta-ta for now.
Wednesday!
Good morning all. It's a chilly one today. And there's a frost. Well, yesterday was interesting. The engineer turned up at 12:52. How do I know this? Because my CCTV informed me while I was at our dur-upper. So we had a gas leak and there was no gas. So he fixed the gas leak and replenished the gas, the refrigerant or whatever it's called, and then tried to restart the system. But when he tried to restart, it tripped the main house electrics. How do I know this? Because an hour later or thereabouts, I checked the CCTV and I was unable to connect. It was offline. So I thought, that's not good. So I packed up my stuff and then drove home, and I was indeed correct. I turned up, everything was off, so I went to the main fuse board and flicked everything on. So, but now we have our heating back. How cool is that? It's so nice to have your heating back on. We were just huddled around a radiator before, but now everything's back, albeit temporarily. So it's good. It's all right, my camera lost focus then for a minute. So today I'm in our dur-upper again, starting sanding downstairs because I've got to leave the product to cure in the toilet, upstairs toilet. So why am I talking outside? It's freezing out here. So I'm going to start sanding downstairs and then come back this afternoon, make some sausage rolls, and we're going to see Una. I don't think I'll film Una. I may do with my phone. It'll be lovely to see her. So we're seeing Una and her foster family this evening. So I'm really looking forward to it. I will post some pics up. I'm not going to film anything else today. I'm a bit croaky actually, but I will catch you all in the next one.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I also forgot to mention that the engineer who fixed the air pump, or repaired it again, the cost to refill the refrigerant, or whatever it's called, and to repair it was €800. So, beware people. These air source heat pumps are not cheap if they fail. So, there we have it. Anyway, I'm back at the dur-upper. I'm going to crack on. You don't need to see this because I'm doing a bit of sanding downstairs. I'm still waiting for the product to dry upstairs to cure because it was 0 degrees overnight, or -1 or wherever it is, and it's only 3 degrees now. So the heating's on in the room upstairs. So I'm working downstairs. Anyway, catch you later.
Okay, just remember Thursday. Can you remember Thursday?
Good morning all. It's Thursday. I've not recorded much this week because it's been an up and down week, and the stuff I'm doing in the dur-upper is not really that interesting. So I'm just cracking on with what I have to do, and it's been a bit of a dreary, wet kind of week. I've had a frost this week, but the air pump's now working, which is, I'm thankful for that. So we're nice and cozy in our house. We went to visit Una last night with her new family, and it was fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Okay, we were only there for about an hour, and yeah, it was really nice. I made some sausage rolls, which I've previously told you, and this family had never had these
English sausage rolls, because you don't get them in France, not like in the UK anyway. And they absolutely love them, so I gave them the recipe. But going back to Una, we walked in and she recognised us straight away, and she was all over us, and we were just chatting by their table, and Una just was under the table, and she was just laying on my feet like she used to, and she was all licky, and it was joy. It really was. I really enjoyed it, and I'm so happy that she's happy, and you can tell she's happy, and they love her to bits. It was really nice. So I'm happy. I can move on now, because I know Una's in the right place. I can feel myself getting emotional. How weird is that? But it was lovely to see her, and I'll put some pics up while I'm chatting here, because I noticed that I do gab on a bit, and a lot of it is utter rubbish. And today we've got a company coming round to assess how much the replacement for the air source heat pump is going to be. Do a survey basically. So the missus will be here around lunchtime, and hopefully they'll be here around lunchtime too. But going by French time standards, i.e. timekeeping, that's probably not going to be the case. So that could be interesting. So today I'm just putting up some Christmas decorations, and just kicking back a bit, and then I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. Probably going to the dur-upper. It's going to be dry, so it's a bit of both. I've got some moles to sort out. I've got to retrieve my traps. They're still here, but I've not checked them for about 4 days, so there could be a dead mole there. Who knows? Anyway, I'm going to put this video up. I'm sorry there's no content here, but there's a lot going on in the background that you don't really want to see, and I don't want you to see, if you know what I mean. But yeah, so I'll leave it here, and I must apologise for my content. Yes, blah 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 blah. I do go off at a tangent. And I'll see you on the next one, and hopefully there'll be a bit more DIY in it. Anyway, take care everyone, and I'll speak to you soon. Ta-ta for now.
Ta-ta for now.